How to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance without cards. In this video, I'll show you step by step. Now go ahead now and open up your Binance app. After you open your Binance, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this spot button. Go to this trades. After you come to trades, scroll all the way to left and go to P2P. So from this P2P option now, make sure you are in this buy option, buy button like this. In this option now, go ahead now and select the currency you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer with USD, or after you select the USD, so from this option now, go ahead and tap on this payment method and select bank transfer. Tap on this confirm. After you select the bank transfer, and go and specify the amount you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 500 USD to my Binance account. So from this option now, you can be able to see different merchants that will be able that you can send them the USD, then they will give you USDT in exchange. So for me, let's say I want to transfer it to this person. We say bank transfer. I can be able to transfer the money in just 15 minutes. So tap on this buy button. So if you tap on this buy button, as you can see now, here is it now. Now if I send him 500 USD, I'll be able to receive 484.91 USDT. So from there, all you have to do now, make sure you tap on this bank transfer and add in your bank. So after you add your bank in this option now, scroll to down and tap on this place order. So if you tap on this place order, from there you can be able now to see the bank details of this person. So now all you have to do now, just copy his bank detail and go back into your Payoneer account. So if you open up your Payoneer account like this now, just go ahead now and tap on this action button. In this action button now, go ahead and tap on this withdraw to bank or withdraw to Payoneer. So all you have to do now, just withdraw to Payoneer. If you tap on this withdraw to Payoneer, from there you can input the bank detail of that person that gives you from your Binance. After you finish payment, if you go back to the Binance, you can just tap on this. You'll be able to see a button which says paid. If you tap on this paid button, from there the person will confirm your payment in his bank account. Then from there the person will release the USDT into your bank account, since you have already sent him 500 USD. That's it guys on how to transfer money from Payoneer to bank account without cash. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.